Hello, everyone. It's Leonard Lentz, and this is my Chapter 2 lab assessment screencast. So, for question one, what worked best for me in these exercises? What worked best for me was going through the book first to get a feel for what I was going to get into, then reading the instructions on how to do everything, and then going through, and the instructions were pretty much self-explanatory. So, just going through those and working through it like that. Question two, what was the most challenging? The most challenging for me was step four because we had that error code that everyone seems to be getting caught on, and with the different versions and getting everything worked out, trying to figure out what the error code was, and how to fix it. And then for me, I fixed it, but I didn't know I fixed it. So I kept trying to fix it, and there was no error code anymore. I ended up having to redo the whole thing over again. And that was the most challenging for me. So for performing step 17, I'll go back in here. Let's see, it's up there. And there it is. As you can see, it worked. I got all the scripts to work. All right, thank you. I look forward to submitting the next assignment.